Hey, thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and get notifications for all of our videos. And like and share, please. Today we've got a 2014 International Prostar automatic transmission, 509,000 miles on the odometer. It is a double bunk sleeper. Just like all of our vehicles, this one has been fleet purchased, which means it's been fleet maintained as well. That's how all of our vehicles are purchased. We have a third-party shop that goes through each vehicle very thoroughly when we receive it. They make any and all necessary repairs, and also each truck comes with a fresh DOT inspection to make sure that it's road ready for you guys. We've got aluminum steers, and we also have aluminum drives with a tri-pack unit. Also check us out online. Our website is exceleratetrucks.com. Link in the description. You also see it there on the mud flaps. We manage that website and that inventory daily with our current and accurate inventory. Feel free to check us out on social media as well, Instagram and Facebook. Again, 509,048 miles. It's an automatic transmission. Double bunk sleeper. Go ahead and roll the hood. Again, this is a 2014 International Prostar. automatic transmission, double bunk sleeper, has 509,048 miles on the odometer. It's ready to be put to work. Again, check us out online at exceleratetrucks.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all notifications. And please like and share. Thanks, everyone.